Hello, my name is Sakode. In this video, I will show you how you can turn off or disable Authenticator app from your Instagram account using Instagram mobile app installed on your phone. So, to disable Authenticator app, I've installed Instagram mobile app on my phone. So I click on my Instagram mobile app installed on my phone. I log in with my username and password. And I click on Login tab. That it will prompt me to enter the 6-digit code generated by my Google Authenticator app. Verify my login so that I can use it to disable or turn off Authenticator app installed on my phone. So to verify the code, I open my Google Authenticator app installed on my phone. So there's my Google Authenticator app. I open it and I copy the 6-digit code generated by my Google Authenticator app so that I can verify my login to disable or turn off Google Authenticator app used as my two-factor authentication. I copy the 6-digit code and straight to my Instagram mobile app, then I paste the 6-digit code. I click on confirm. This will confirm login to turn off Google Authenticator app or turn off Authenticator app. For my Instagram account, I click on Home. Then I click on More. I click on Setting tab. And I click on Security. I click on two-factor authentication. Here you find out two-factor authentication is enabled using Authenticator app. So to turn off, I switch it. It will prompt me to click on Turn Off tab to turn off Authenticator app used as my two-factor authentication. So I click on Turn Off. This will turn off Authenticator app on my Instagram account. Sign out. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to this channel by clicking the bell icon to receive